Hi again, this is Tony from BesideTheFrontDoor.com, and I'm going to show you some of the flea beetle damage that you can find on plants. Now, flea beetles, you'll almost never see them. They're very small, black, larger than poppy seeds, but not much. You don't usually see them. They come out when you're usually not there to go ahead and do their feasting, but you can see their damage, and it's pretty classic what it looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and show you some that's on my sweet potato vine. Let's turn around so you can see it. You see those little holes right on those leaves there? Just centralized, small, random little holes. That is classic flea beetle damage. And usually it's not enough to really harm the plant any, but it is enough for it to be unsightly. Again, a systemic works very well against anything that's going to be chewing on your plants. If it's enough to really bother you, or it's in a prominent place and you really need it to stop. Once you do deal with the flea beetles, those little holes aren't going to grow back in, so you'll have to prune off the damaged leaves if it is something that is in an area that really concerns you. So that's flea beetle damage. An organic way to deal with them again is the neem oil. I'm a big fan of neem oil because it is not only a fungicide, also it's an insecticide, and it's a repellent. So not only does it help kill the insects, pests that might be on your plant, but it will also repel new ones from coming on. When you do apply it, be sure to spray both tops and, more importantly, the bottoms of the leaves. Make sure it is thorough, and also apply it when, now this is an insider tip, not in the middle of the day. Sometime when it's cooler temperatures, early in the morning, later in the evening. You do not want all that oil to be on your plant when it's up in the 90s or above. So if that was helpful to you, please click like and subscribe, and add any comments or questions below so I can address them in future videos. Bye!